Hey guys, my name is Pavlo. Welcome to my C++ series. These videos are for people who want to learn programming from scratch. We'll start from really basic programming topics and then we'll learn more complicated stuff. I work as a C++ developer, that's why I'll use this language for tutorials. Let's start. First of all, we need IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. What IDE consists of and which parts of this environment particularly is needed for us, we'll talk in further videos. For now, let's just download and install one of the most popular IDEs called Visual Studio 2019. To download this program, you should go to this link. I will leave this link in the description to this video. Here we have three versions of Visual Studio: Community, Professional, and Enterprise. We'll choose a Community version because it's free and its functionality is completely enough for our further lessons, so let's choose this version. Now the installation file will be downloaded. Let's execute this file. And click Continue. Now we have to choose which components we need for Visual Studio to install. We need C++ components, so I'll choose them. Here we can change the folder where we want our Visual Studio 2019 to be installed, but I will leave it as default. And here are some other configurations that I'll leave as default too. Let's just click Install. So the installation process has begun. It really takes some time. I strongly recommend you to have your favorite tea, chill for a while, maybe watch some Netflix. So yeah, tea and Netflix, that's exactly what I'm gonna do while waiting the installation process to be finished. See you in a minute. Finally, we have our Visual Studio 2019 installed. Now you should log into Visual Studio using a Microsoft account. Here we have two options. Click Not Now, Maybe Later, and use this program for 30 days. And after this period of time, Visual Studio will say something like, "You are unable to use me anymore, please log in." And to log in right now, in case you don't have a Microsoft account, you should create one. Let's imagine we don't have a Microsoft account and create one together. You just have to click Create One, and you will be redirected to this link. Here you should enter your email. Now you should create a password. And now the verification code will be sent to your email and you should enter this code. Now Microsoft wants me to solve a puzzle, so let's do this. Wow. And now we have our Microsoft account created. Now we can return to Visual Studio and enter our credentials. We successfully signed into Visual Studio 2019 and now can create our first project and first program, but we'll do it in the next video, so the programming fun is just about to begin. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day and see you in the next videos.